Want to watch movies with friends online? Discord makes it easy to stream movies and watch together in real time. Streaming movies on Discord lets you hang out, chat, and enjoy films together no matter where you are. First, make sure you have the Discord desktop app installed, because screen sharing works best on the desktop version. Open Discord and log into your account using your email and password. Join a server where you want to stream the movie, or create a private server for close friends. Click on a voice channel to join it before starting the movie stream. Once inside the voice channel, look for the screen share button at the bottom of Discord. Click screen share and choose whether you want to share a specific app or your entire screen. For best results, select the browser tab or media player where the movie is playing. Adjust the stream quality based on your internet speed to avoid lag or buffering. Start the movie, and your friends will instantly see it inside the Discord stream. Friends can talk, react, or type messages while watching the movie together. With Discord Nitro, you can stream movies in higher resolution and smoother frame rates. If viewers see a black screen, try turning off hardware acceleration in your browser settings. Make sure system audio is enabled so your friends can hear the movie sound clearly. Use headphones to avoid echo and keep the audio experience clean for everyone. Only stream movies in private servers and respect copyright rules in your country. A stable internet connection helps keep the stream smooth and prevents interruptions. When the movie ends, click Stop Streaming to end the session. If this guide helped you stream movies on Discord, like the video, subscribe, and share it with your friends.